What is tenses? Tense shows the time of action. In English, tenses are used to indicate when something happens in the past, present, or future. Types of tenses. There are three main types of tenses. 1, present tense. 2, past tense. 3, future tense. Present tense, 1.1, simple present, structure. Subject, base verb. Example, she writes a letter. I drink water. We study English grammar together. 1.2, present continuous, structure, subject plus is, am, are plus verb plying. Example, she is writing a letter. They are playing football. I am practicing my dance. Are you going to school now? 1.3, present perfect, structure, subject, has, have, past participle. Example, she has written a letter. He has completed his homework. I have done my project work. We have visited to Mumbai again. 1.4, present perfect continuous, structure, subject, plus has, have been, verb plying. Example, she has been writing for an hour. You have been telling a lie. When have you been cooking food? He has been going to morning walk. 2.1, simple past, struct subject past verb. Example, she wrote a letter. I went to school. Did you go to the gym yesterday? Past continuous, subject was, were, verb. Example, she was writing a letter. I was playing a game. My dad was going to London. We were celebrating a festival. 2.3, past perfect, structure, subject plus had, past participle. Example, she had written a letter. I had finished a work. They had won the match. John had found a new job. 2.4, past perfect continuous, structure, subject, had been, verb playing. Example, she had been writing for an hour. We had been playing cards. She had been cooking food for 2 years. I had been reading books for 5 years. Future tense, 3.1, simple future, structure, subject, will, shall, base verb. Example, she will write a letter. I will play football. He will watch television. 3.2, future continuous, structure, subject, will be verb. She will be writing a letter. I will be completing my homework. It will be raining. He will be driving home. 3.3, future perfect, structure, subject plus will have past participle. Example, she will have written a letter. Boys will have played tennis by then. I will have drunk water. We will have won all the matches. 3.4, future perfect continuous, subject will have been verbing. Example, she will have been writing for an hour. He will have been dancing for 2 hours. I will have been playing football. They will have been studying for last 2 hours. Quick tip for students, use a table or a chart to remember all 12 tenses easily. Practice with real-life examples, like writing about your daily routine, yesterday's events, or future plan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Rumki's educational channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Exercises on tenses coming soon. Thank you.